Forgotten username recovery failed on Stash Fix. You tried to recover your Stash username, but the system keeps saying we can't find your account. It's frustrating, especially when you're just trying to access your investments. But here's the surprising truth. In most cases, this issue isn't a technical glitch. It's usually caused by a small mix-up with your email or login method. Let's fix it step by step. First, remember that your Stash username is actually your registered email address. Most people forget which one they use during sign-up, especially if they have multiple emails. So start by searching your inbox for old Stash emails. Look for receipts, confirmations, or statements. The address receiving those messages is the one tied to your account. Next, if you originally signed up using Apple or Google, you need to log in with that same option again. Many users accidentally try to recover their username manually, even though their account is linked to a single sign-on method. That's why the system says it can't find your account. If that doesn't work, clear your browser cache or uninstall and reinstall the Stash app. Old session data can confuse the recovery system and cause login loops. Till stuck? Go to Stash's official help center and contact support. Provide your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of the bank account linked to your Stash profile. Their team can verify your identity and send your correct login information securely. Most people get this wrong because they assume Stash has multiple usernames or an account. But in reality, it's all tied to your verified email. Once you find the right one, your access will be restored in minutes. So next time your recovery fails, don't panic. Just retrace your sign-up steps, check your emails and verify your login method, and you'll be back to tracking your investments in no time.